Hola, this is a part 2 video that I'm making. Um, as I said on the first video, I switched the wire uh, like that. It should be like that. Okay, the brown and the yellow went to the other side, and the blue, the black are together. The blue support was over here. I just switched it, and I'm still having getting heat when you turn it on, and the lights button on the bulb, and this is the turn when you turn it on. As you can see, it will turn right now, are turning, and you see over here also the motor. It will turn. um, Please try the disconnection, and make sure all the connection that's on mine are like this. As you can see, I think the main focus is gonna be on this block. Okay. Please email us if you have any more questions. Email customer service, and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you.